The digital signature client of OpenKM now let us preview the documents and insert an image as a watermark in the signature. To activate this option, we go to the File menu, Signature Configuration. This will display a pop-up window that will trigger the document's preview and show its signature. Once all the required fields are filled, we save the changes. Now we will take two documents to sign and upload in OpenKM. The system automatically displays the files in a new window. We can check that we have two documents that are not signed. We will set that the signature will be applied over all the documents. At the same time, we'll serve over the documents unsigned. We will click on the Sign button. We select the certificate, and now we set the path in the document management system. We will wait for a moment. Once the task has finished, we can move to the OpenKM's browser, and if we refresh it, we can see the two documents that we have signed uploaded in the DMS. To check the signature, we can download the documents, and at the bottom of the files, we can see the digital signature. If we zoom in, we can see the watermark and the signature details.